Welcome back. Thank you for joining us. For some people, cleaning can be a joy.
Is that
and
right,
for others, me, it can be a tedious task that takes up much needed time and energy.
You just need to add more vodka. And that's what we found out in this. As Britt Cohen finds out, there's lots of other tips and tricks to make life a little bit easier.
Drunk now,
I'm a little bit less.
Let's face it, between the scrubbing, wiping and cleaning, housework can be a grueling exercise.
I mean, being a mum, we have to go through the rigmarole of, normal things every day, but then other things are thrown into the mix, like glitter being thrown all over the floor, and we want to find something simple and something that will solve it straight away.
Today, our organising expert, Anita Birges, is showing us a few fast fixes that will save you plenty of time and maybe even a bit of sanity. Starting with getting rid of glitter.
Taylor's done a very good job here with the glitter, but it must be a nightmare for parents.
Yeah, it looks like a masterpiece, but I have hives looking at this. Best thing to do is get yourself a lint roller straight away, something with an adhesive side on it, and we're basically going to just sweep up all the glitter. Every little piece will be swept up this way, and then we won't have it stuck in our vacuum cleaner as well.
Sounds nice and easy.
Simply peel off each layer once the surface is covered and throw away.
So I've got 4 kids in this house, and I sometimes get these awesome surprises like crayon on a buffet or pencil on a wall. I need to find a way to get it off.
Anita's simple solution, toothpaste.
Get a white toothpaste with a little, I put on a wet Chux, and I just smooth it on it, softly, and it will take it all off.
I can hold you. And if you're thinking of selling, Anita says toothpaste is a cheap and easy way to refresh your home.
Take off any of those little marks you might see on your door frame or around the bathroom.
When it comes to tougher stains like permanent marker, don't panic.
With a bit of hairspray, spray it straight on to the permanent marker, and permanent, no more.
Shine bright like a diamond. And ladies, forget taking your jewellery for a professional clean. Anita says vodka will transform your dull diamond into a dazzling one.
Because vodka has such a high percentage of ethanol, it really gets into the diamonds. Like a diamond.
It actually looks brand new.
I know, it's so sparkly now.
To avoid wasting the vodka, pop it in a spray bottle and use it to get rid of odours. Anita also has a savvy solution to help prevent your jewellery from tarnishing.
We're going to get some chalk and wrap it up in a paper towel, because we know that tarnishing happens from moisture and humidity. And this chalk is going to soak up all that moisture, and it's going to leave your jewellery sparkling longer.
But there's nothing harder or more annoying to clean than this.
Isn't it just our worst nightmare when we either step in gum or sit in gum, or just gum goes somewhere and we just need to look after it straight away? So what we did is I popped the shoe into the freezer. The chewing gum actually freezes, and instead of having that gooey mess, look, it just peels off like this. How cool is that?
Finally, Anita's biggest pet peeve is stubborn stickers, but she's found a solution.
So how are we going to get rid of this?
Okay, we're actually going to use nail polish remover on this one. Soak it. Acetone will lift the adhesive, and we'll have a clean slate on this one as well.
Anita, who would have thought all these things we have in our home can fix all these problems?
Exactly, and you don't need to go out and buy more stuff. It's quick, it's easy, and with these simple hacks and solutions, you're going to be passing on these secrets for generations.